Hi beautiful viewers, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing us how to make a reversible hair bonnet with satin and Ankara fabrics. So let's get started. Here I have my fabric folded into two. Firstly I fold it again, that is, it's folded into four places. So the next thing I did was to take my measurement, which is 12.5 inches all round. That is, the circumference which I'll be working with is 12.5 inches. So here we go with it. This is how to measure the circumference. After I was done with that, I took my scissors and cut through the line, that is the circumference which I have already marked. Now the next thing to do also to place my satin fabric and also fold it into four pieces, just as I did for the Ankara fabric. Then I placed the Ankara fabric, which I already cut out already, on the satin. Have the same circumference shape that I'll be working with, that is 12.5 inches. Then I use a pin to pin it down to avoid shaking while cutting through. So this is what we have. Here is the result of it. So we have a circular shape, a big circle shape. So now the next thing to do is to place the right side of the Ankara fabric and also the right side of the satin together. Then with a sewing allowance of half of an inch, I'll take it back to the machine and sew with half of an inch. Afterwards, the next thing I did, I left a space of 1.5 inches, or you can as well leave a space of 2.5 inches for turning in out. Now at this point I'm trying to turn the fabric in out, that is to the right side. The next thing I need to do also to sew with 1 inch allowance, that is, I want to create a space for the elastic band to pass through. I'm going to sew through 1 inch. Here we have it, after which I've already sewed all through with 1 inch sewing allowance. So the next thing I need to do is to pass my elastic band with a pin through the circular shape, and the circumference of the elastic band is 21 inches. Take it back and secure both edges. So here is the result of it, and also the 1.5 inches which I said I left earlier. So the next thing I need to do here is to give it a top stitch, or to sew with my needle and thread with the method of invisible stitches. So I prefer to go with the invisible stitches, so that's what I'm trying to do here. At this point our head bonnet is ready, so we can as well slay either way, in Ankara fabric or with the satin fabric. With my leftover fabric I made a stripe of 60 inches by 10 inches with the two fabric, that is the satin, with the satin fabric and the Ankara print fabric. Let me know what you think of this video. Like, do share. See you all in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.